Episode 3, Backup and Cascading Features. Welcome back to the final episode of our Stage LightBridge Kit. In this episode, we'll focus on two powerful features of this kit: backup functionality and cascading capabilities. Let's start with the backup feature. We've already completed the basic system setup, and as you can see, the DMX power light is under control. First, we need to connect an additional fiber optic cable to enable redundancy. Let's get that set up. It's important to note that each fiber module is color-coded. On the fiber node, the top module is yellow, and the bottom is blue. On the FiberSwitch Pro, the sequence alternates from left to right, blue, yellow, blue, yellow. For communication to work, you must connect different colors. If you connect the same color, the devices won't establish communication. With the additional fiber optic cable in place, let's test the system using the DMX controller. As expected, the light fixture is fully responsive. Now, let's simulate a failure by cutting the first fiber optic cable. Even with the primary cable disconnected, the fixture remains under control. This is the backup function in action. The FiberSwitch Pro continuously monitors the signal on the primary fiber port. And if it detects a failure, it automatically switches to the next available port, ensuring uninterrupted operation. Now, let's move on to the cascading feature. This capability allows you to connect another FiberSwitch Pro through any of its fiber ports. Each connection extends the system's range by an additional 20 kilometers. With this setup, lighting designers can easily control DMX fixtures over extremely long distances, breaking the limits of physical wiring constraints. Before we wrap up, here's an important point that often confuses lighting designers. You might have noticed that throughout this demo, we haven't configured any network settings. That's because the FiberSwitch Pro automatically creates a local area network for all connected devices. There's no need to manually set IP addresses or subnet masks. Just connect the devices, and they're ready to work. All you need to do is set the appropriate universe, and you're good to go. And that brings us to the end of this series on the Stage LightBridge Kit. If you've enjoyed this series, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions or specific needs, feel free to leave a comment or contact us directly. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next series.